Continuing our sailing adventures around the world, we sail through Montenegro's magnificent fjords. It's very light wind. Actually, it's dropped 3.8. It was about 5 when we put up the sails. We're just going to get a little bit more curve in our main sail by easing the outhaul. And the outhaul is the bit that runs along at the back there to tighten or loosen the foot of the sail. I think Colleen is enjoying these nice easy sailing conditions. She's been partying a bit on Bar and the other islands, and now is just taking it really easy.
We're at the far southern end of the Croatian coast. So just as we're about to enter Montenegro, it's time to take down the Croatian courtesy flag and put up the Q flag, the quarantine flag.
Go for it.
I'm at the helm by myself. The crew in the heat has decided to snooze. We've put out their bimini and they're just really chilling out. And I'm getting a picture of what the Atlantic crossing will be like. One of us at the helm, the crew mostly either asleep or doing their own thing, without another boat in sight. There is Boka Kotorska, a magnificent fjord that's at the heart of Montenegro. How fast are we going?
8.
No, it's dropped back.
Well, we were going 8. Right there, the southernmost part of Croatia.
That's it.
We're in Montenegro now. We're in Montenegro now. We're in Montenegro now.
We're heading up further up the basin to the town of Kotor proper, which lies right at the far end. We need to go up this really narrow passage, and with the wind coming from that direction at 16 knots, concern is that it's just going to pick up as it goes funneled through this narrow passage. So we've dropped the sails down and just going to take it easy.
Not a bad view.
Yeah, fantastic. New country, new courtesy flag.
Montenegro. Yep, hoist it.
Okay, so yeah, sea bream €4.
What? Okay. Alright, a bit different to Croatia.
Yeah.
Is it that cheap?
Yeah, look.
Look at the
cheap?
space. Yeah, it's that cheap.
Wow, we're gonna like it here.
Yeah.
Look.
I'm getting a really good feel about Kotor, the town. It's got a lot of history and it's UNESCO World Heritage, yet without the crowds. Wow. I feel like we're back in Morocco. Night's falling and there's a really nice vibe to Kotor. Everyone's about and it's very vibrant. Aiden and I are going to check out the local market. It's 100 metres down from the marina and it looks amazing.
I don't like prosciutto, so...
Okay, appreciate it. Okay. Try it. It's really good.
Montenegro specialité.
Unlike other cheese.
You like it?
Jaja.
Yes.
Anka, dajo među tepu, to ti je dao za jaja, ja ne znam.
Okay. We're climbing the city walls in Kotor and going up to the fortress at the top.
Oh, Mom, you can see the name in the front of the clothesline.
Wow.
I just have this thing for poppies.
Big step. Steps.
Chocolate always tastes better on a walk.
Yeah.
Not a bad spot for a picnic.
I've been drinking beer every night, so I just want something different. We've got a Plavach from Far 2015. We know for a fact it's a good drop.
Yep, like your style.
Thanks, mate. There you go.
Is that so odd?
It's pretty good.
Very good. Nice work, Phil. Come and enjoy it. Give your fellow sailor a hand since it's after hours for our harbour master man, marina man.
And when we were picking up the lines, we saw a sea star.
Yeah, sea star fell off the
They're like
boat.
this big.
And another one coming in, about to come in. Now, our new neighbours we just helped are into Albanian rap.
Kotor at night. As you can see, the walls that rise above the town are beautifully lit up.
This is Bill, one of our Kiwi neighbours, on their beautiful yacht Shalimar. Bill,
thanks.
what sort of advice do you have for us?
I guess I can only just say that from our experience of travelling about the Pacific and in the Mediterranean too, that what works best for us, or what seems to at least provide for the most pleasant and I suppose rewarding thing, is to wherever we go and whomsoever we're talking to, be authorities, taxi drivers and restaurants and whatever, is try to be as pleasant as possible and have a good laugh and try to understand what it's like to live in that country, talk to the people and so forth, leave a little tip on the table and so on, and just good karma as you go. And of course you never know when that's going to come round and help you if you leave your camera in a restaurant or your phone or something like that, but that's not the real reason. The real reason it's just pleasant and it just adds to it. And really for me, for the travel, it is all about, I don't necessarily remember the places, in fact I've got a terrible memory, but I do remember the people and the experiences I have along the way, and that's for me what it's all about. But everyone's different, and there we are.
Not only is Kotor spectacular, amazing heritage, great bars, great buildings, but look at their setting. Look at that mountain. Magnificent.
One of my favourite things travelling is listening into different tour guides. She was French. My French is not so great, but She was talking about the split between the Montenegrin and the Serbian Orthodox Church and something about the First World War. So I kind of got a quarter of what she was saying. But anyway, this church over here she was pointing to is a unique Montenegrin Orthodox Church, which is separate to the others. Okay, we're going to take hats off. Ooh. Oh, it's very small, very cute. I love Orthodox churches. Here's a couple of yin and yang kitty cats.
We've got for a traditional Montenegrin coffee, black with charcoal in it. What do you reckon?
Ooh, strong.
Strong?
Super strong. Not too bad. Not too bad. I prefer Melbourne coffee.
Snob.
I don't drink coffee, but it smells amazing, and I'm always up for trying something new. So this is the traditional one with the charcoal. I've got to give it a go. Packs a lot of punch. It's really good. I'm not just saying that. This is really, really good. A little bit more. Pastel? Yep. Yeah, cool. It's very tasty. You don't like it?
I haven't even tried it, but I just can't.
That's a thumbs down from Aiden. Big thumbs up from me. Big thumbs down from Aiden.
Normally it's like this for something good. Now it's.
Thumbs down. This team's starting to go a bit black.
We've come out of the marina and we've just dropped anchor in the bay just outside of Kotor. It's hot. We're going for a swim. Go! The water's beautiful. A bit colder. It's all the runoff off the mountains. So what do you reckon?
Pretty good. Sun's hot.
Want some wine?
Yes, please.
That's what I got. Although I don't think we've got any cold white.
Oh,
Vodka and grapefruit?
yes.
Okay.
Stella.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
There you go.
Whoa. Why, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Not bad.
Good.
Yeah.
Even loses weight.
Ah, must be good then.
Appetite suppressant.
Ha. Didn't know that. There you go.
Grapefruit.
Well, you're the physio, so you'll know.
Yeah. It's just a beautiful spot. Got the view behind us. Magnificent.
I take the paddle for a spin. There's a band playing by the cafes, so cleaners taking care of Aiden. Elle and I are going out.
Join us in our next episode, sailing and freediving in Montenegro's fairy tale towns before we set sail for Albania.
If you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to follow our adventures.